Thanks God, we have joined again. Uh, I was in Tangal district, and I want to say about uh, the whole of Tangal district. Tangal, formerly an upazila of Greater Momishing district, is a district in the center region of Bangladesh. That means in the heart of Bangladesh. It is the largest district of Dhaka division by area and second largest by population after Dhaka district. That means by population, Dhaka is the first. Dhaka district is first, and then Tangai. Very bad, but we have got a position.
You're
The
lucky man.
population of the population of Tangai Jilla is about 3.8 million, and its area is 3,414.28 square kilometers. The main city of the district is Tangail. It is surrounded by Jamalpur district on the north, and the Dhaka and Manikganj district on the south, the Mamishing and Gazipur on the east, and the Shirazganj on the west. If you want to go to Shirazganj, then you have to pass the Bangabandhu Jamuna Bridge. Um, uh, our Tangal district is famous for beautiful places. You know that I have explained for several times. Again, I have said that Mohara Jamindar Bari, DC Lake, Madhupur National Park, Alenga Resort. This is our and Atia Mosque, 200 Wonder Mosque, Pakutia Jamindar Bari, Open the Sharabor, Nagarpur Chaudhuri Bari. That means I shown here why Tangal is famous for. And you know that Tangal is famous for Purabari Chamchum. And we, the Bangladeshi, you know that very fond of sweets. And a greater amount of sweets provided from Tangal district. I am inviting you to to eat it. If you come to my house, then I will arrange in a great amount porabari chomchom, the sweet meat.
Yes, very interesting.
But I have ignored the famous for why Dhaka division is famous for. Sir, I want to shorten my presentation, and the shortage of time, I am unable to present all the information. Sorry for that again. Now I want to go to the second part of the of this 10th session. You know that about quality education, and in this part I want to explain what teaching learning methods are being used by our teacher, our students in our country. For example, demonstration method, inquiry based learning, solving problem method, etc, etc. At first, I want to say teaching learning methods are being used by our teachers, students in Bangladesh. And I want to say traditional method of teaching. Traditional methods of teaching that are still being adhered to the schools. Teacher center classroom, you know that this is very bad, but we are improving nowadays. Teacher centering classroom is not shown nowadays. Teacher in the mode of knowledge dispensers rather than facilitator. Or that means the teacher don't very easy to act as a facilitator. Then they go through the chalk and talk method. That means teacher already write on the board and then talk himself or herself. There is no scope to the students. This is very bad. Lack of collaboration and group learning. The teacher cannot conduct in this traditional method to teamwork, group work, and the students are fail to connect each other. Improper alignment between objectives, activities, and assessment. More emphasis on examination and result rather than understanding of concepts. That means they memorize some questions and then answer in the exam room. This is our traditional method, you know that. But in modern teaching method, this is very positive thing that our Ramesh sir, Kamal sir, Rabiullah sir, we are the teacher of primary and secondary level, and we know about this very truly. Modern teaching method, that means technology driven classrooms. Classrooms use technology. Continuous comprehensive evaluation, that means all over the class teacher evaluate the students. Inquiry based learning, students are given some topic, some problem, then they search for the answer. Emphasis on understanding of concepts. Linking curriculum with life, that means curriculum live based topic are included here. Emphasis on skill building, life skills and values. And nowadays we know we say the smart interactive boards in some schools. Collaborative learning, differential learning, differentiated instruction, activity-based learning and learning labs, interdisciplinary learning, integrative and social responsibility, and civic engagement. Digestion. Sorry, if I forget this mistake. Ramesh sir, please help me. Is it correct word?
Yeah, destination.
I have forgotten mistake that. Assessment and feedback. Teacher focuses on the assessment and feedback. Problem based learning, that means students are fallen there in a problem and they identify their problem and they try to solve the problem. This is the modern teaching methods. Now I want to say specifically technology-based classroom in increasing use of media and technologies for enhancing teaching and learning is an important current trend to overcome the challenges of schooling and teacher training in the changing world. That means we want to go we want to follow the time, the situation, the challenge, then we have to go first with the time, with the needed of the students and teachers. These systems presents interview data derived from primary and secondary schools teachers in Bangladesh in a context beset with many difficulties associated with technology. That means nowadays we are conducting our class with projector, with digital blackboard, sound system like this. Here, I want to say digital interactive board, digital board that's named smart board. Smart interactive boards used in the classroom. The smart board allows teachers to work through a lesson and save it for students to review at home. We are not lucky giving these smart board. That means I don't have smart board in my school. I have to use blackboard or whiteboard manually, and but there is the access of projector. I conduct my class with projector. Students can watch lesson at home. That means this is very advantages of teachers and students. Then come into class to work on their problems with a teacher. Are you there, sir?
Yes,
Am I?
yes, yes, you are audible and visible.
This is not very related, but curriculum, instructions, and assessment begins with involved and innovative leaders who support educators and learners in using data to create a learner-centered environment. Educators ensure equity in opportunity and design academic content and instructions by leveraging adaptive technologies, tools, pedagogies, and resources to ensure relevance and deep understanding of complex topic. That means curriculum is the direction of the whole teaching learning process. Now I want to go back inquiry-based learning. Inquiry-based learning is a learning process that engages students by making real world connections through exploration and high level questioning. That means a question arises in their brain. Students try to follow them mm, to solve a question. It is an approach to learning that encourages students to engage in problem solving and experimental learning. Again, problem solving method. We can say in a problem solving method, children learn by working. They have to work to solve their problem. On problems, this enables the students to learn new knowledge by facing the problem to be solved. That means they give their answer, trying and trying. The students are expected to observe, understand, analyze, interpret, find solution, and perform applications that lead to a holistic understanding of the concept. That means better understanding comes from problem solving method. Now, game-based method, it is very effective in the classroom. You know that game-based learning is where game characteristics and principles are embedded within learning activities. Game-based learning is also an active learning technique where games are used to enhance student learning. Here, the learning comes from playing the game and promotions, critical thinking, and problem. In our primary level, from play, that means pre-primary, preschool, to level 5, there is very scope to play a word game, sentence game, accounting games for counting, and it is very interesting for the students, and it is very easier to conduct a class for a teacher with the game based method. The students don't know that what is going on. They think that they are playing game. Perhaps I am in the last slide, but there is no more Rachel, no more picture. I want to say goodbye. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you to join with me with the 10th session, all over the 10th session. Thank you again. That's end, my dear friends.
Okay. Ramesh sir is leave now.
কি আমাকে
Yeah.
পজ করতে হবে রেকর্ড?
Stop করে